Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Experience, Knowledge and Share. So before starting, in this video we will cover the overview of how to create a personal token and the live demonstrate in the GitHub how we can create it and how to use the access token, and if it is cached in our system and if you want to update how it will be do that. So we'll be describing next few uh, next upcoming slides. So before starting that, my name is Kanayalal. I'm a Magento 2 front-end developer currently working as a tech lead in Echidna and having 10 plus year of experience in web development. I have completed my bachelor degree in computer science and engineering in 2011, and I'm having key skills are responsive web development, Magento 2.10, PHP, MySQL, JavaScript, jQuery, CSS, less HTML5, and Knockout, and few more. Okay, I am a Magento 2, or you can say Adobe certified expert and Adobe certified professional developer. Yeah. Before starting, please do subscribe our channel, and also please don't forget to click on bell icon so you'll get a notification whenever we upload the new videos. Okay, so starting with that, how to create a personal access token. So usually when we go to the GitHub and click on the generate token, we will get some token in our application in the GitHub only. So that now the GitHub have some changes on that. So they usually the person token starting with the GHP underscore. This is a new format, and also if we have older token created and we are using in our application, so it will be great to reset them. So it will be so what so it will provide additional security benefits, so that allow to secret scanning, and also they can easily detect our token is valid or some kind of other security problems can be resolved. And also whenever we integrate as a configuration or as a variable, environmental variable for our application, so the integrator should be planned the token should be considered with the 255 character, because it's a basics dependency of this token to be set as 255 character, because future that length will be increases for the token. Okay, so yeah, so before going into the more details, so where the personal tokens are can be used or how we can use. So that why to create the personal token is the create a personal access token to use in place of passwords with the command line tool and with the APIs. So it will be easy. The password is that some kind of specific secret code which not to be disclosed with others, but so we can use this token, so it can be executed in the command line. And also it's have a security precautions. Okay, so and also on the GitHub, if you not use a token for more than a year, so GitHub will automatically remove this token, personalized access token. And also to provide additional security, that highly recommended add a expiry date or expiration when you're creating the personalized token. And the token with a no assigned scope can only be access public information only. Okay, so whenever we're working for the repositories, so so we that time we have to select the repo when the in the available scopes. Okay, so creating a personal access token. So before we starting that part, we need to verify our account verify our, we have to verify where our Gmail account or whatever account we are configured in the GitHub. Then only we can proceed with next. So the live demonstration how we can create personalized access token in the GitHub account. So yeah, so in the top left corner, when we see that once the login done and email ID is verified, then we click on the user icon on the right top corner, then click on the setting, and then the left we have navigation bar. In that we can see the developer setting. When you click developer setting, in that we can click on the personalized access token, and here there will be, if you have existing tokens, will be listed here, as you have to create a new, generate a new token. and it will be ask you again the authentication, two-factor authentication via like some kind of token or whatever we having. So generating any kind of token, they'll ask our passwords, what we use for that account. Once you enter your respective password for the respective account, then it will be asking you the respective detail like new password create. Then you have to give some kind of note. So the note can be like test and the expiry date, usually 30 date or whatever, or no expiry date also we can give based on the need. So considering that we are considered for 90 days, this application will be needed. The report to be selected as we need for repository access. And then if we need any other privilege required, we can select respectively for this token, and we can do even the admin privilege and the private, public, or whatever notification users, all the detail, and we'll click on the generate. So yeah, so this is the token usually we'll be getting. Okay, so this token we can use it in our daily life. So this way we can generate it. We can save this token somewhere in the application, so we can easily get this one whenever we need it. So as we can see the note, once you generated it, telling like make sure you copy your personal access token, and you won't able to see in here because of the security concerns. So make sure you copy and keep it as per your need in your personal documentation or somewhere as a secret. And once you reload the page, the token will be displayed. The token account were the personal token created, the basic detail will appear here, but the token will not come in the application. We have to save the token before reloading the page, else we need to create the new token and do the same kind of the available scope need to be selected. Yeah, so that so the token like we can use in place of passwords, and it to be keep as a secret, or you can consider like a token is like a password only for us, and it should be keep as a secret. And whenever we using our application, make sure that we are not hard coding in the programs or that an application, because it'll be like a security concern, like a kind of a password as we told. And also better to create a token as a environmental variable, so which we can update based on the environments. And so once the token is generated and created in our GitHub, so how to use that? Okay, so once that created, you can enter instead of password when performing the Git operations over HTTPS. Okay, so suppose we are have a Git repos, we have a Git repository and we are cloning in our local system. So we have to use Git clone and then the respective repository name. Okay, and also we can give that which directory to be. In that case, it will create repo as a directory. And once you enter, then it will be ask your username. You can enter your username, and in the when you again enter, then it'll ask as password. There you can keep where there you can enter your token as a password. Okay, so but again the personalized access token can only be used for HTTP Git operations only. Okay, if you want to have SSL, that we have to think SSH, then we have to plan for that's a separate thing. And and if you are suppose that we are using that once the git clone URL kept in our git bash or respective the command prompt, and it's not asking for that username and password, so might be that you're using old credential or old GitHub account which are cached in your system. So usually for the window perspective, where we can see our cached credential and how we can reset that one or delete it, and so we can get the updated updated credential when we hitting the git command. Okay, so usually we can go to start control panel, user account, and credential manager. In that, either we can add it as per needed, or if you already have GitHub the configured and data entered, so we can edit or remove it. So we can remove the cache data, or you can directly type in the window as a credential manager and search box, and then you can go directly to the credential manager page. So this page will be appear, and you can do the needful things. So in that case, you can update your token, or you can create you can add your token directly to their one, so it like a work like a cached. Okay, so yeah, that's it for this video, and thank you We hope you enjoy our session. Please do and like our video. If you have any kind of questions or suggestion, please feel free to share with us. Okay, and see you again in the next video. Till the time, enjoy and stay safe. And please don't forget to subscribe our channel. And yeah, thank you.